about food. Healthy or junk? Which food is good for our health? Let's find out. Healthy versus junk foods. Fun English learning video for kids. So what are healthy foods? Healthy foods make you strong and happy. For example, milk, fresh vegetables, legumes and beans, grains and pulses, nuts and seeds, and fresh fruits. And what are junk foods? Junk foods taste yummy but aren't good for your body. For example, candies and lollipops, burger, potato chips, pizza, soda, etc. So here's showdown number 1. Between an apple and a candy, which one is healthy? Yes, you're right. The right answer is apple. So be sure to choose an apple the next time you get a choice between an apple and a candy. Now here's showdown number 2. Between a glass of milk and a can of soda, which drink helps you grow strong? Yes, you're right. The correct answer is milk. So now let me share a good habits tip with you. Choose healthy foods most of the time. Now let's have a look at the mini quiz. Is pizza healthy or junk food? The correct answer is junk food. So always remember to eat healthy and stay strong. Yeah! And that also brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the difference between healthy and junk foods. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.